everyone, I'm Camilla. Welcome back to our video series.
Today we're going to guide you through KPI tracking in the scouting phase of startup collaboration. In the scouting phase, it's all about finding the best external startups to collaborate. So let's check out what KPIs you can track in this process. Bam! 400 applications for a startup program.
Michael, you know it's not just about the numbers.
What is it then about?
You know it's not just about the quantity, it's more about the quality of the startup. Sometimes 5 to 7 startups per innovation topic can be enough.
Camilla, look, VR startup with blockchain integration. Huh? Look at this.
I mean, it looks really nice, but it's also not just about fancy technologies. Okay, look, next to the technology, it's super important to look at the experience of the founder team, the strategic fit of the solution, and most importantly, if the solution actually fixes the problem you're focusing on.
Perfect, so that means we have our short list of startups, no?
Not exactly. Wait, there's more to consider. For example, it is super important to involve the business units in the evaluation of the startups, because in the end, they are the ones who need to be eager and willing to work with the startups.
Thanks, Camilla, now I get it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you next time for our third video on POC and piloting phase.
Also, don't forget to download our white paper.
Ciao!
Ciao!